So do you have a rough idea as to what this poem is all about now? With the help of the pictures? Yes, that's good. Now, for the next part of the lesson, we are going to focus on the words, the vocabulary that is used in the poem. I have prepared 11 words on this slide, and all these words are found in the poem. Now, the first word, we'll start with the very top, the left-hand side of the table, okay? We shall read the words together from the top to the bottom, from the left to the right. Okay, are you ready to start? Okay, let's read together. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Albino.
Horrendous, limbs, torn, tree bark, dawn, carcasses, scratches, wounds, sulky, despair. Now, I would like to highlight the word albino, A-L-B-I-N-O. Albino can be pronounced as A-L-B-I-N-O can be pronounced as albino. It can also be pronounced as albino. But for the purpose of standardization, in our class we shall use albino. Are you ready for the next activity?
Yes.
That's good. Now, I have prepared here, okay, a grid box. This grid box consists 9 smaller boxes. Okay? Now, are you ready? Now, please get into your groups of 5. You may move your chairs. Get into groups of 5. Jimmy, can. Kabisha. Okay, now let's check. We have 4 girls over here. We have got 5 girls. How many girls do you have there? 4. Here we have got 5, and over here we have got 5. Right? So on the average, we have between 4 to 5 girls. Now, every group will be given 1 sheet of this, okay? Only 1. Then I'll tell you what we will be doing, okay? Now, very quickly. Okay. Okay, now please take note. On each piece of paper is a grid with 9 blanks. Do you have 9 blanks? Make sure that you do have. Now, every group must appoint a group secretary. Okay, can I ask the group secretaries to raise their hands? Okay, good. Every group has got a group secretary, thank you. Now I want each group to select, here there are 11 words, to select only 9 words from the LCD screen. 9 words, and copy them into the blanks randomly. For example, if you feel that right in the middle of the box, you love the word Soki, you can write the word Soki right in the middle. If you like the word despair and you feel that it's here, it should be here, you write it here. So write 9 words in any arrangement that you fancy. Okay, I'm going to give you 1 minute to do so. Okay, this group has finished. This group has finished. What about your group over there? Good. They have just finished and you have also finished. That's great. Now, what I'm going to do, look at these 2 boxes over here, these 2 containers. Over here, I've got the definitions of the words. The definitions of these 11 words, they are all here. Now, I'm going to pick out a strip and I'm going to read the definition. Okay? Now, you have to identify the word that matches the definition. Okay? If you spot the word that matches this definition, you put a cross. Alright? And you must get 3 crosses in a straight line. Alright? The 3 crosses can be horizontal, can be vertical, they can also be crisscross. Okay, either from left to right or from right to left. Are you clear? All right. Now, if you have 3 strikes, what must the group say? Bingo. Very good. Are you ready to start? Yes. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you to pick the definitions, okay? And please do not tell me which words fit the definition. You must look at your bingo card, okay? Look at your bingo card, and if your word matches the definition, shh, don't say out loud. Don't tell the other groups. Okay, would you like to try? Take one. Okay, now, and this is, now listen carefully. The time at the beginning of the day when light first appears. The time at the beginning of the day when light first appears. Okay, we have used this, so I'm going to put the definition in this empty container. All right. The next one, how about this group here? Okay, now, shall read the definition. Look at your bingo grid. This is, the definition is the outermost layers of the stems and roots of woody plants. The outermost layers of the stems and roots of woody plants. Goes in here again. Now let's ask our group at the back so that they won't feel so neglected. Come. Right. Now this, let's see. Oh, arms or legs? Any bingo? Okay. Now I think this group hasn't drawn. The condition of a piece of paper or cloth that is damaged as a result of pulling it too hard or letting it touch something sharp. I repeat, the condition of a piece of paper or cloth that is damaged as a result of pulling it too hard or letting it touch something sharp. Any bingo? No. Oh dear. Now, which group has not drawn? Okay, come. All right, now, let's see. This is number 2. Frightening and terrible. Frightening and terrible. Still no bingo? Oh, dear, dear. Who have you drawn? Every group has drawn something? Okay, again. Oh dear. Now, very wet. Very wet. Very wet. Still no? Okay. The group behind. Let's try. Come. Try. Okay, next. It is a person or animal with an unusual genetic condition. Oh! Okay. Give yourselves a big hand. Okay, now. Okay, good. But let's check their answers. They might not have got bingo, no? Okay, let's check. Now, let's check our definition. Number 1. Hold on, please. Number 1. Okay. Now, a person or animal with an unusual genetic condition, light-colored eyes and very white hair and skin. Now, girls, what's the answer? Who would like to try? Yes, Young? Very good. Albino. Have you seen these albino people around? No, never? Never seen? Okay, you have never seen an albino person. What is even more rare is an albino buffalo. Are you ready to continue? Now, let's check number 2. Number 2, let's see. Frightening and terrible. Frightening and terrible. What's the answer? Who would like to try? Is that Amira Aswa? Yes? Horrendous. Okay, thank you very much. Now, next, let's try. Now, this number is number 4. Condition of a piece of paper or cloth that is damaged as a result of pulling it too hard or letting it touch something sharp. Now, who would like to try, please? Yes, Shahira? Very good. The answer is torn. Right, let's see. Now, number 5. The outermost layers of the stems and roots of woody plants. Yes, please? Again? Very good, bark. Okay. Next. This is number 10. Very wet. Very wet. Yes, Reshma? Soaky. Right. This is number 6. Number 6, the time at the beginning of the day when light first appears. Who would like to answer? Venus, yes? No. Very good. Dawn. Number 3, arms or legs. Arms or legs. Who would like to try? Yes, Afika? Limbs. Okay. Now, these are the ones which were not drawn. Now, girls, could you please check? Did you really strike bingo? Oh, yes, they did. Okay. Now, number 9. Injuries, especially cuts or